Hey guys, today in this video I will be giving you a quick fix on how you can fix all your missing DLL file errors at once for free. The DLL file errors appear mostly when you are trying to install a heavy game. They do not appear every time, but they do appear sometimes when your PC isn't having the necessary software installed in it. So in this video I will be telling you how you can get rid of all those missing DLL file errors for once and they won't trouble you forever in your lifetime. So first click on Chrome, then type in here Microsoft Download Center. Click on the first link and then click on this search box and then type this DirectX and user runtime web installer. This will also be available to you in the description box as well. Then press enter and then click on this first link. Scroll down and click on download. Then click on this box and now your program will start downloading like this. Then open the program and install it. Uncheck this box because we don't need to install the big bar. Now click on finish and that's it. Now the missing DLL file errors won't trouble you forever in your lifetime. That's all in this video, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.